In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "an unidentified error occurred" message in the PlayStation Store on your PS5. This issue can prevent you from making purchases or accessing the PlayStation Store, but there are a few simple solutions you can try. The first thing you should do is restart your PS5. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, scroll down to Power, and select Restart PS5. Once your console has restarted, open the PlayStation Store again and check if the error has been resolved. If the problem continues, try removing your save payment method. Open Settings, go to your Users and Accounts settings, then navigate to Payment and Subscriptions and select Payment Methods. Remove the save payment method from your account, then return to the PlayStation Store and see if the error is gone. In some cases, a corrupted or outdated payment method can trigger this issue. If the error still appears, you can add your payment method back later or try using a different payment method after confirming that the PlayStation Network services are working normally. That's all there is to it. Hopefully one of these methods fixes the "an unidentified error occurred" message on your PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PlayStation tips and fixes.